Hey you guys, so we're back and today we have some new makeup. I'm gonna be trying out some makeup from Milani Cosmetics. This is like a super talked about drugstore brand that like everybody under the sun has used except for me somehow. So anytime that I use something that's Milani, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here at the bottom of the screen somewhere. Let you know how much it costs, whatnot, and there will be links below to all of these products. Okay, so if you want to see this makeup look, then just keep watching. So first I'm starting off with the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation stick, and the shade I got is 290, which is Warm Toffee. I actually really like this foundation. You get a decent amount of coverage. I did go back over a few spots, but for the most part I felt like the coverage was pretty good and it blends out really well. This is the Conceal and Perfect concealer. The shade I got is Deep Tan. I believe it's a little light, but I was able to make it work. I do like this concealer though. I am pretty picky about my concealers, but I do really like this. It spreads and blends pretty easy for me. I'm not using any Milani setting powder or anything like this. I'm not going to mention the setting powder because I hate the setting powder, but I ran out of Laura, so I had to do what I had to do. If you want to see how I shape and tint my brows, then make sure you click the link up in the upper right hand corner, I think it is, so that you can see that. I recently did a tutorial and now I am just contouring with the Sephora contour palette that I use all the time. Now this is the eyeshadow duo from Milani in the shade Life Partner, so I'm just going in with the dark brown in my crease, and then I'm going to go in with the gold shade on my lids. Now let me just say, like, for these to be drugstore foundations, this gave me a lot more pigment and payoff than I was expecting. I was expecting a little wash of color, maybe a little few glitter specks in there, but this was really good. Now I did also get a baked blush from Milani, but I felt like it was more of a highlight. I'm not applying it here, but I felt like the blush I got was more of a highlight, so I actually didn't apply that. I might use it in another tutorial, but for today I didn't use that. But overall, I loved the Milani products I got. I also got one of their new hand sanitizers. So Milani is that girl. Milani is good. I see why everybody talks about her. She deserves it. So if you're on the fence about Milani, go ahead and give it a try. It gets my stamp of approval. If you have made it to this point, you should go ahead and subscribe because we're at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.